Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Breville Paradice 16 food processor. This high-end appliance promises to be the ultimate sous chef for your kitchen, tackling everything from chopping to dicing and more. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the design. The Breville Paradice 16 makes a bold statement right out of the box. It's large and heavy, weighing in at around 40.5 pounds. This hefty build reflects its robust construction and high-capacity features. The package includes two spacious storage boxes for its numerous attachments, which are neatly color-coded for easy identification. However, be prepared for its significant storage footprint if space is a concern in your kitchen. Now, onto performance. This food processor boasts a powerful 1450-watt motor that effortlessly handles even the toughest tasks. Whether you're making hummus, chopping veggies for a salad, or slicing potatoes for French fries, the Paradice 16 performs admirably. It comes with an array of accessories, from dicing kits to slicing blades, all of which are designed to streamline your food preparation process. I particularly enjoyed testing out its dicing capabilities. The included dicing discs and distributor worked effectively to produce uniform cubes of vegetables, though there was a slight learning curve in setting up the pieces correctly. In terms of features, the Paradice 16 impresses with its intuitive control panel. It offers start, stop, and pulse functions, along with a digital timer that can count up or down depending on your needs. The extra-wide feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, minimizing prep time. Another standout feature is its dual bowl system, a large 16-cup capacity main bowl and a smaller 2.5-cup mini bowl for more precise tasks. Both bowls are made from BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher safe, which adds to the convenience. So, should you consider buying the Breville Paradice 16? If you're serious about culinary precision and efficiency, this food processor is a solid investment. It's ideal for home chefs who frequently prepare large meals or enjoy experimenting with different recipes. However, its weight and size may be a drawback for those with limited kitchen space. Overall, the Breville Paradice 16 proves to be a versatile and powerful addition to any kitchen, capable of handling diverse culinary tasks with ease. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.